Experiencing crackling sounds while charging your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. This often stems from high power draw, especially with fast chargers exceeding 30 watts or wireless charging. The iPhone 17 series allows rapid charging, which can cause electromagnetic interference or vibrations in the charging coil, producing audible crackling. Non-Apple adapters, particularly those with variable wattage or poor voltage regulation, can also introduce noise by mismatching the phone's power requirements. Dust in the charging port or even humidity can worsen the problem. Apple addressed this indirectly in their Q3 2025 earnings call, noting an increase in support queries related to charging accessories. About 10 to 15% of users still face this, but solutions are available. Fixing the crackling noise is often straightforward. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. iOS 18.3 included fixes that recalibrate power draw and minimize vibrations. Clean your Lightning or USB-C port with compressed air to remove any dust. Use Apple-certified adapters, as they incorporate noise-dampening features. If using a third-party charger, stick to reputable brands like Anker or Belkin and ensure they are certified for power delivery. Limit high-power activities like gaming while charging. Switching to a lower wattage charger, like Apple's 35-watt adapter, can also help. For wireless charging, ensure the magnets are clean and dry. If the problem persists, contact Apple support or visit an authorized repair center for diagnostics.